Ohio, Ohio. This video is for your Pick 3 lottery sets. What that means basically, and I'll show you in a bit, but it's basically choosing 3 numbers and then playing those 3 numbers for like 2 weeks, for example, and then switching the numbers out. But I'll show you in just a little bit what I'm talking about. So in these videos, keep in mind for your state, I went back about 3 months to back test, or not back test, but to kind of look and see what was hitting. And then always keep in mind, especially with your state, the patterns do change, so keep that in mind. So the singles I was seeing with your state was 731, 057, 025, 231, 301, and 902. The way that I would recommend that you play is you're going to basically wait until 3 of these numbers hit from this list, okay, and write those down. So let's say it was 731, 231, and then 301. What you would do is you would write that down. The next time that 2 of those numbers hit, so let's say it was 301 and then 231, then that's when you would start playing that 731. The recommended time that I would suggest that you play is if you do both draws, I would not go longer than 14 days. If you're playing one draw only or one side, like day side, I would not go for longer than 30 days. And your prize structure, I wasn't too familiar with, so you'll have to crunch the numbers a little bit and make sure that the length I'm telling you would still give you a profit, basically. So make sure to double check that if you do decide to play. Oh, one thing I forgot. So let's say that 731, if you're playing just that day side, for example, if that 731 does not hit within that time frame, then you're going to start the process all over again, okay? And it could be any 3 of these numbers, just not the 3 I mentioned, okay? For the doubles, for you, I was seeing 322, 766, 448, and 755. So same thing with the doubles. If you can play a little bit longer, usually you get a higher payout for doubles. But again, for your state, I was having a tough time figuring out your price structure. So make sure you do double check that. So for doubles, if you're playing both draws, both day and night, I would not play for longer than 14 days, or not 14 days, longer than 30 days. If you're playing one draw only, so like day side, I would not play longer than 60 days. And then same thing, you're just going to wait. Let's go with 3 numbers. So you would write down 2 numbers, or 3 numbers, and then wait until they fall again. Just 2 numbers, and then play that 3rd number for that length of time that I just said. Okay, Ohio, that is it. If you have any questions or comments, just let me know in that comment section.